Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to block someone on Gmail from sending you an email. What you need to do, you need to go to your Gmail account and log in, and then you click in this icon for settings, then click here, see all settings, and then I click filters and blocked addresses. After that I click here, create a new filter. Now I write the email that I want to block. Okay, for example, if I choose this email, Jonas, and then I click here, create filter. After that, I choose delete it, and then I click here, create filter. But I don't want to delete this email. But this is what you need to do. I hope that this video is helpful. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not a subscriber yet. And if you have any questions, suggestion, idea, just leave them in the comment section below. Thank you and see you.